I don't know anything about the region in Italy, but when I saw this cross-stitch kit, I thought it looked absolutely gorgeous. This is Liguria. It's Riolis kit 1747, and I had a request from one of my viewers for an unboxing, so let's open it up and take a look and see if I can answer her questions. Just look at all of those colors. This is the wool acrylic blend thread that they use. There are 39 colors in this one. I don't know if I have opened a Riolis kit yet that had quite that many colors. They are gorgeous. It is 14 count white Aida. The piece is 30 by 40 centimeters. If I remember right, that's 11 3/4 by 15 3/4 inches. It's a big project. It is full coverage. It is all cross stitches with 2 strands. There are a few blended colors, and there is a whole lot of, I don't know if I'd go so far as to call it confetti, but there are very few big sections of solid stitching in this. There is a lot of fiddly color work. There's very little back stitching, just the outlining of some of the boats and the railings. This is going to be a lot of stitching, but it looks like fun. The chart spreads over 2 pages, and I took a careful look at the symbols, and except for 2 blues, which are not all that close, I think the colors and symbols are distinct enough that they should not cause any confusion while I'm stitching. That was one of my complaints on a recent project, so I wanted to make sure I checked that on this one, especially with as many colors as it has. I'm excited about stitching this, so thank you to the viewer who asked me to open it up and answer her questions, because I love digging through my stash. If you have seen something in one of my videos that you're curious about and you would like to see an unboxing video, let me know. If I can, I'll pull it out and film one. If I can help you decide whether or not you want to add a chart to your own stash, I'm happy to do it. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle.